There's going to be an order to the things of how I reach the lockdown or deep half guard or some sort of deep trap on the half guard. The first thing that I emphasize is always working to get an underhook and really, really diving my head in there to cut down on chokes and attacks on my arms. So when I say try and choke me, just by me traveling really deep, it's super hard to choke me. And then with my arms, whether I get inside the leg or just underneath the arms, when I say, okay, arm lock me, it's really hard, okay? Really hard to lock my arms. So I have those two things going on. And then I start to go from my outside leg to my inside leg. And I cross my feet, and then I roll back square to get that hook on. Sometimes you have a really hard time to get that lockdown on because you go like this and you're trying to reach for the foot. What you want to learn to do is roll him back this way and you'll be able to get to that position. Or when I'm deep underneath and I can't get to it, I just push it into position, cross, and then I get here. And I take both heels off the ground and I stay deep underneath. I either caber toss him or I whip him up. So in this case, I'm whipping him up and I want to grab the toes. Because if I grab the ankle, guys can still base. But when I grab the toes and I base to my elbow, it's a lot more pressure. Then I can bring him over. If I lose the toes, I can't get it, then I'm going to start to go to the leg. And I bring him back square here. Right? I bring him back square and get my hands together, head stuck in, and I stretch him out and I shelf him on my shoulder here. And then I just want to test him out to see how his groin can take it, and say he can take it. Then all I'm going to do is start to build base and block him at the arm. Build the base. He's still dealing with a lot of pressure. Or I'm here, and the guy whizzers me. When he whizzers, I take this hand, and I come back and I clamp it. So I either underneath the leg or underneath the toes, both work. And because the arm's trapped, I can drive them over again. Hopefully that'll help you out with some of your lockdown troubles.